Isa na namang menor de edad ang biktima ng hazing. Ang biktima ay isang third-year high school student at hindi raw niya alam na initiation sa fraternity ang kanyang pinuntahan kasama ang kaibigan.
Killed him. They should be punished. They have no
Ito ang
place in
matinding
this
manat ng
world.
ama ng UST student na si Horacio Castillo III sa mga miyembro ng fraternity na pumatay umano sa kanyang nag-iisang anak.
Every student's dream of belonging, of finding a family inside a campus, but sometimes the price of belonging can destroy more than it builds.
Bago student din, diba? Tahimik, yung kamabait.
Oo, kakilala ko yan. Transferi lang last week. Nahiya pa siguro.
Bro, ikaw si Cristiano. Gusto mo ba makasama sa tropa namin?
Sir, wala pa naman ako masyadong kakilala dito.
Nice! We're part of the Alpha Theta Brotherhood. Para kaming pamilya rito.
Brotherhood? Gusto ko yan. Matagal na akong naghahanap ng grupo.
He only wanted to belong, but not all families treat you like one.
Bro, napili ka ng mga elders tonight. Ikaw ang next initiate.
Shit? Anong ibig mong sabihin?
It's just traditional, bro. Lahat na tunay na brother dumaan dito.
James, wag mo siyang idamay dyan. Alam niyo naman na may nasasaktan dati eh.
Hindi ganun kalala to Faith. Trust me.
Faith looks worried as lives with James.
Welcome, you white Christian. Tonight, you prove your loyalty to us. Handa na ako. No pain, no ron! Bro, tama na yan. Sobra na yan. Walang susukot. Ganito na ba talaga dito? Christian, bro, gising! Mark, tignan mo ang ginawa mo. Baka patay niya siya.
Guys! Guys! Si Kirsten na sa hospital! Sabi ko tayo kapatid din siya sa mama. Sabi ko kailangan may masaktan para na makasali. Let's report this. Hazing is a crime!
We're so sorry. We didn't mean to do it. He just wanted to belong.
You should have treated him like a real brother, not a victim.
They thought it was real loyalty, but real loyalty means standing up against what's wrong.
Christians wanted acceptance, but no dream is worth a life. So let's stop this culture of hazing. True brotherhood does not need fair. It needs care, respect, and love. Have you ever seen something forcing violence in the name of loyalty? Speak up. You may save a life.
Remember, true brotherhood is not built by pain, but by compassion.
James, alam niyo naman di ba na... Bakit student yan, di ba? Tahimik. Pero ang mabait.
Kung naghahanap ng grupo.
Bro, napili ka ng mga elders tonight. Ikaw ang next initiate.
Anong ibig mong sabihin?
It's just traditional, bro. Lahat na
Guys! Guys! Si Kirsten na sa hospital! Dapat hindi siya sumama eh. Bakit kailangan ko may nasaktan para na makasali? Hazing is a crime! Support this.
You kiss me pretending you don't see me. Don't be wise, mama, please. Be kind and love me.
What? Guys! 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 Si Kirsten! Ay, hindi ka nakalimutan mo.
tama na yan.
Kap, nagitingong ulit.
We're part of the Alpha Theta Brotherhood. Para kaming pamilya rito.
Be with you was easy. I can't. I'm fixing to wait until you just to know you. Boy, don't you kiss please be kind and love me.